more people, new girls, but only if they're not going to bring any drama. Chelsea, welcome to the old group. Thanks, lovely. Good luck. You're going to need that.
Well, the chicken's almost done. Working on a client program because it was today, Sunday. I signed a new client Friday evening, and I have 2 more client consultations tonight. So if I get behind, presuming I sign both the clients tonight, it takes forever to build out 3 full programs plus deal with all the other stuff I already have going on with my clients. So I'm trying to stay ahead because it's like 11:07. We're gonna go to lunch, and then as soon as lunch is over, I'm immediately starting on my client updates, which is every Sunday and usually run me about 8 hours. So it's gonna be a really long day today. Oh, the chicken's done. Cheers.
Are you gonna cheers to me?
I don't have that much left. Oh shit. I was gonna get sushi, but sometimes you just go to a Japanese restaurant and change your mind and get hibachi. So I got chicken and rice. Pretty familiar, but it's okay because it wasn't cooked by me, so that makes it much better.
Bone apple tea.
This is actually really good. I mean, all you got was sushi, right? And sashimi. Exactly where we're at. I'll tell you exactly what supplements to take. So if it's gonna be wellness supplements, intention and like with the full mind-muscle connection, because just going through the motions, like it's okay, but whenever you're going through it, like you're thinking to your head, like I'm doing a lateral raise, I really want to focus on keeping everything tight and doing the motion with my lateral head of my delt and not flexing my traps or anything like that. It really makes a big difference in long-term progress. And sometimes I'll even just like if I see somebody slacking or something, I'll be like, hey, I want you to send 2 to 3 videos for every single workout this week, and I want to see you doing a working set. That way I can see like, oh, like you're doing this too fast, you're swinging too much, you're rowing too high, things like that. Because like this is bodybuilding, this is a sport of where we're creating our physique. We're not just going in there just to move weight and Good morning. This is the dedicated fasted cardio outfit, 5 days a week. Let's go. Guys, sheesh, it is bright out here. It's like 8:30. Let me hold it over here. Come on, focus. It's like 8:30 in the morning, and I'm having breakfast outside because it's really nice. I just had chicken breast, whole eggs, spinach with some olive oil and salt on it. And I just have 100 grams of plain oats with 50 grams of blueberries. Not really the best tasting, but sometimes you just gotta eat for function. Got a big push day to day. Stay tuned for that. We'll probably film some of the clips on my phone, but we'll input them here. So stay tuned. Hope you guys are all doing amazing, and much love.
So I'm eating my brekkie with my Scooby.
I'm done with my bread. It's in my belly.
Sissy.
Okay guys, we just got to the coffee shop. I'm gonna work for probably like an hour, maybe read my book, but I have some stuff to catch up on because I did sign 2 new clients yesterday, so I need to catch up on that. We got some cappuccinos, they'll be out here soon, but it's a really nice day. We're sitting in the shade and can't really ask for like a better scenario to be productive. So here we go.
Sis. Ready to cheersies me?
That's good.
Sissy. I'm gonna spill. Thanks. Here's Sis giving the new belt its first try. Sis, how it doing?
What are you doing? I don't have that much. Just pour in the sink. Psycho.
Hold on.
Engaged.
Okay, not bad, not bad. Nice, nice, nice. Now it's time for the gym.
Okay guys, I have 5 grams of creatine, 5 grams of glutamine, fermented glutamine, and I put Jack Factory Pump, and I put a scoop of regular pre-workout. 2 scoops is a serving, so I do like a scoop of Pump, then a scoop of regular pre. It's only like 180 milligrams of caffeine though. I don't like a lot of like jittery shit, so I'm all about that Pump.
Barnes.
Let's get it. Oh yeah, if you want to buy some Jack Factory, you know, arguably the best performance supplements in the market right now, use my code BARNES for 15% off. You'll be able to see us do a push workout, shoulders, chest, a little bit of triceps. So here we go.
You also put salt.
What?
You also put salt.
Oh yeah, I put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just enough for the pump. Himalayan salt. Here we are. Where do we park?
Okie dokie artichoke. So we just finished our workout. Here's
Get all the
exhibit
popcorn
A.
from the fucking car. This header sounds juicy.
So now we're heading on our way. We're heading
I'm gonna pick up your license
home
plates.
to get no, this is not working. We're heading to the car dealership to pick up my license plates, and then we're gonna eat and feast and wash our hair. That's the game plan. Right?
Right. See.
Okay, and now we're gonna head into the dealership. Don't forget the dealership. Okay, turning, so focus. Wow, look at the dedication, so focus. Squishing the lip to DDBT and turning. Reverse.
What's up guys, I'm gonna close out this video just with a brief clip. I just had dinner, but Joanne was hungry, so I'm grilling her burgers. I'm like 30 weeks out from the Olympia, so I'm still, you know, I don't have a lot of leniency in my diet, only 1 free meal a week, but you know, I'm eating a lot. I'm still growing a little bit, but I'm doing a 21-week prep this year. John Jewett's doing my prep. Super excited for this. We're gonna make sure we're ready a few weeks out, and I'm like just taking it day by day. It's gonna be a breeze, but stay tuned for some good video content, workout, training tips. I'll take you through this Olympia prep with me, the day in the life, the struggles that I'm going through. So be prepared for a good time. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on TikTok if you want to see the daily content. Peace out.
No, hold me. Jeez.